Hi, this is Wayne from E-Stim Systems. This is just a short video to give you some insight into the ideas behind E-Stim Systems, what we do as a company, how we do it, and why we do it. How did E-Stim Systems begin? Well, back in 2004, my girlfriend at the time and I started looking at electrical play, and everything on the market was either very expensive American kit or rebadged TENS units. And me being me, my background was electronic engineering, I looked at what was available and thought, oh, I could build one. That turned out to be the prototype for the Series 1. A few friends saw it, asked me if I could build them one. Then I built another one, and 15 years later, we now build thousands of units that get shipped around the world. What makes E-Stim Systems different? I think there's three key things here. Firstly, all of our sales team actually actively play with these products. We don't just look to see how many units we can ship out the door. Secondly, we manufacture in the UK, and not just in the UK, we actually run our own manufacturing facilities that allows us to have complete control over quality and all levels of production. And lastly, we offer a lifetime guarantee on all of our power boxes and premium electrodes. This is something that no other adult company seems to be able to offer. E-Stim is also different based on the fact that we started building this kit for play and for ourselves before we started manufacturing on a commercial basis. So everything we've done has always been customer orientated, product orientated. Our priority is actually produce really good, decent electrical E-Stim kit that works really well for ourselves and for our customers. And considering we've now won 3 awards, seems to work for us. Explain our lifetime guarantee. It's simple. If you have one of our power boxes or one of our premium electrodes and they fail in normal use, we will repair it, and if we can't repair it, we'll replace it. It's that simple. It's quite interesting. We actually had a store once tell us that they couldn't see the benefits of our lifetime guarantee because if a customer had a failed unit, they wouldn't come back to them to buy another unit. We found this curious because in our experience, customers who have availed themselves of the lifetime guarantee tend to buy more products from us because they know that if something goes wrong, we're not just going to turn around and go, that's your problem. The other key thing with the lifetime guarantee is because we actually do the manufacture and we control all of the processes going into a product, we have a lot more understanding as to what can go wrong and what does go wrong. The only thing the lifetime guarantee doesn't cover are items that we would consider to be consumables. So cables, sticky pads, gels. One of the things we're very proud of is the fact that we are a UK manufacturer. This gives us complete control over the manufacturing process and ensures that we're not reliant on some Chinese factory churning out units by the thousand every day. Where do our designs come from? And the simple answer is everywhere. Our imagination, we all play with these boxes and we all play with the electrodes. So newer designs come from concepts that are based on what works and what doesn't work for us in our own play. We also listen to what our customers say. We also have testers who actually actively play with the kit and give us much more in-depth feedback. Indeed, some of our staff have actually named some of the electrodes based on their initial designs on paper. We've then put them through CNC and created something that for them works really well, and it turns out for a lot of our customers it also works really well for them. The first priority of any design is also whether it actually works, rather than creating something that looks pretty in a box or on a shelf in a shop. Do we play with the products, and do I have any favourites? Yes, I certainly play with the products. Admittedly, some of the larger electrodes I have a few issues with, so I've never tried an OMG or a decimator, and urethral sounds just don't do anything for me. But I do actually have someone on staff who loves playing with the urethral sounds, so that tends to be their department. In terms of favourites, yep, the flange electrode is still top of my list, and a lot of the time I still go back to the Series 1. It's simple to use, it's quick and easy to play with, and it works for me. I also happen to know my wife enjoys using the remote, mainly because for some reason she loves that level of control that it gives her. What does the future hold? If you can tell me that, we'll probably win the lottery. However, we as a company are continuing to strive to develop new products, to improve what we currently offer, just to make sure that everything is right at that cutting edge, but still maintains the level of quality and service that we are actually quite well known for. Hi, this is Wayne. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If you like the video, we'd love a nice big tick. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, there should be a subscription button floating around on the side of the screen. Thanks for watching. Bye.